Hello, everybody. It's Wilka here with the Leadership Talks podcast. Another wonderful year at HSMAI Commercial Strategy with Bruce Jordan today.
Thank you. Thank you. Appreciate you. How are you doing today?
I'm great. A little bit of travel delays. But tell me, I'm curious, how was this morning? How was the energy in the room?
This place has been crazy today. Like, it's been more people here than I've ever seen at HSMEA. And I think that has a lot to do with Brian Hicks and his team. They really put things together. They had suffered a grave loss losing Jason, but they're bouncing back really strong. And I'm very, very impressed for sure.
Awesome. And what are you looking for to accomplish in these next 2 days, Bruce?
The number one thing I'm looking to accomplish is making sure I know what everybody else knows and nobody knows more than me.
Wait, so you want to be the smarter person in the room?
There we go. See, they right now they're getting information, but they don't have the wisdom to use the information that they getting effectively. So they will get a strategy, but most people have tunnel vision, so they can only see one way to work that strategy.
Okay, I like that. And I want to pick your brain then, because I do know that you are revenue managing a hotel in the Virgin Islands.
Correct.
So how is that going? How do you came across that opportunity?
They have experienced a very nice increase in revenue. They see their true potential. I think a lot of times when we're working, we're grinding, we're busy, it's kind of hard to see over the forest and the trees. So, when I came in, I said, hey, these are the options that we have. We could do this, we could do this. This will increase revenue. We could do this, cut expenses. And they were happy with the results. So it's working out pretty well.
And I did see a video because I think you did a drone presentation for the hotel. It was fantastic.
Thank you.
So I also am familiar with your book.
Mm-hmm.
So how did you came about? And I know you're working on the second one. So talk to our audience about, your projects coming up.
Oh yeah. The second book that I'm working on is called Hotel Investing for Everyone. I'm trying to introduce people to the public side of hotel investing, not just the private side.
Sure.
So picking the right stocks, picking the right REITs, the right real estate investment trusts. One of the reasons why I like REITs is because it's liquid. I can just sell and get my money. Like, you can't do that with a hotel. Like, just put a hotel on the market and it sells in 24 hours. So that seems to work a little bit more better for me.
Okay.
My other book, of course, which is the Hotel Revenue Bible, that's actually doing pretty well. A lot of people like that book. It gives them the tips and tricks. It's like a no BS tips and tricks book. It kind of opens up their eyes to what they've been doing and how they've been lagging from sales to revenue and so on and so forth.
So the book is focused for independent properties, revenue managers, GMs, because I haven't got my copy yet.
It's for independent properties and franchises. It's for revenue managers, sales, GMs, front desk, digital marketers, and social media managers.
Okay, fantastic. And how did you come with this idea of getting a book together? Because I know you did partner with a few awesome experts in each field. So talk to us a little bit more about that.
Well, I kept getting a lot of comments in my YouTube channel and on LinkedIn, and I have like over 1,000 videos. So I'm like, there's no way they're going to sit here and watch 1,000 videos to figure out what I know. So I'm like, we'll just put everything in a book. And when they have a question, I can say, start with this book first. And then once you get past the basic stages, and then we can go ahead into the advanced stuff. Because a lot of people, they really don't know the basics. So they know they lose them, but they just don't know why. And so once you get those basics down I'll say it's basic to intermediate level, then you could go ahead and move forward to advanced stuff.
So then if I am just graduating at college, I can get the book and get a manager job? And make 6 figures?
Well, at least you'll know what you're saying in the interview, that's for sure. You know what you're saying in the interview.
Yeah.
So, but yeah, you'll be much better off than what you learned in college.
Okay, perfect. Well, I appreciate you.
All right,
thank you for, jumping here at the Wilka Leadership Talks podcast.
As always.
It's great to see you.
And I'm glad you landed.
Of course. Thank you, everybody.
All right. Take care. Bye-bye.